In a big political twist, Donald Trump may have just dropped the biggest hint about who could carry forward his legacy in 2028. While the next presidential race is still far, far away, Mr. Trump surprised everybody by saying that his vice president, Mr. J.D. Vance, is likely to be his apparent. That's the strongest sign yet that Donald Trump sees Vance as the future face of the Republican Party. Well, speaking to the reporters, Trump said, and I quote, "Well, I think most likely, in all fairness, he's the vice president." Well, that one statement has sparked a massive buzz across the United States political world. But yes, that's not all. Donald Trump went a step further and suggested something even more interesting: a future Republican ticket with J.D. Vance and Marco Rubio working together. That's right, Donald Trump floated the idea of J.D. Vance and Marco Rubio teaming up for 2028. This could be a sign that Trump is already shaping the next generation of Republican leadership. J.D. Vance, now who's 40 years old, is not just any politician. He's a former maritime. He's an author and somebody who rose to fame by talking about struggles of working class Americans. He has played a big role in Trump administration, handling diplomatic missions, speaking at rallies, defending Trump's policies both at home and on the global stage. So basically, in short, J.D. Vance has become one of the Trump's most trusted faces. On the other hand, Marco Rubio, once Trump's rival, is now one of the most powerful men in the administration. He holds two key roles: Secretary of State and National Security Advisor, making him the first person after Henry Kissinger to hold both positions at one time. Rubio is seen as a skilled strategist, specifically in foreign policy, and has helped navigate tough issues like China, Russia, and the Middle East. While Trump has previously been very careful not to take any successor's name, this time his endorsement has changed everything. With Trump still commanding massive influence over the Republican bases, even a hint of support from him can actually transform a candidate's future. So the question is, what does this mean for 2028? Could America see a Vance-Rubio ticket rise from Trump's moment? Or is this just Trump stirring the pot, keeping his options open? Now, whatever it is, one thing is clear, that the race for 2028 has already begun and Trump is still calling the shot. Stay tuned, because the Donald Trump legacy might be just getting started.